What's going on, guys? You guys done for the day?
Yep.
All right, so this is the deal, guys. There's a lot of viewers, and the viewers are asking a lot of questions now. You guys have some followers that have been following you all for day one, and they pretty much saw the videos that you've answered these questions. But for the new viewers, I think that it'd be good if you guys take a little bit of time and answer some questions. So you all mind doing that? All right. So one question that gets asked a whole lot is, what pressure do you all shoot the Raptor with?
Well, the first quote we shoot it at 80. So you with the gun. This is the Raptor gun. At 80, we shoot it. It's right about there. That's the first quote. And then the second quote, we shoot it at 110, which is right here in the middle between 120 and 100. So that's pretty much it. So yeah.
All right. So the first quote, the base quote, basically you shoot it at 80 psi, and the second one you shoot it at 110.
Yep.
All right. Cool. Okay, guys. So another question that gets asked a lot is, what distance you all shoot the Raptor at?
The distance, I'm not sure what we shoot at, but well, let me get the first distance, I use it about half arm's length, which is right here. So let's measure that. Let's see how much it is. What is it?
20 inches.
So we shoot the first coat, which is half an arm's length, is 20 inches, which is just spraying it on there, getting it colored in, no spots. And the second coat is just texture. So the texture is 4 arms length. What is that one? How much is it?
30 inches.
So that's 30. So the first one, we shoot it at a good, arm's length, half arm's length correction right here. And we just shoot it from right here, like that. The second coat is just texture, guys. So it's just texture, 4 arms length, all the way. I'm not pretty much doing anything. All I'm doing is texturing it. So just texturing, right? So, I mean, at first I wasn't pretty sure since I already knew how much I have to, how much I have to step back and move forward, So, like, again, guys, the first texture is 20, and the second texture is 30 inches. Yeah, that's great. So, yeah, that answers that one, guys.
Well, I'll tell you what, you guys actually make it look real easy, because you guys know that last time I tried to spray that thing and I left blobs all over the place. So you guys make it look real easy. Okay, so another question is, how do you mix the paint? How do you put paint in Raptor? And actually, I've seen a lot of videos all over YouTube that there's these guys that are making it seem super hard, and that you have to have almost a lab to mix a color. But I see that you guys do it pretty easily. So you want to show us?
Yeah, just hold on, let me get the stuff. Alright, come here. We're not gonna use real paint, guys. We're just gonna use a glass of water. We have an empty Raptor bottle, which is we already used, and it has to be tintable to mix colors. Let's pretend we have hardener. You need your hardener and your little measuring cup for the hardener. And for this, guys, your measuring cup has these little measurings. We put it at 4 ounces, and you just place it, make somewhere that's even. You pour in the paint. Grab your Raptor bottle, tintable. You just pour it in there. And then close it. And then you, like always, shake it for about 2 minutes. As soon as you're done shaking for about 2 minutes, you grab your hardener. And then right here, there's a line for the hardener. You pour it up to that line. You pour it in there and shake about another 2 minutes, and you're ready to shoot the Raptor. So that answers you guys' questions.
So that's it. That's all you have to do. 4 ounces.
Super easy.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so another very popular question is, what kind of compressor do you guys use?
Okay, guys, the compressor. Let's go see it. Let me show you guys. Come here. All right, guys. So the compressor that we use is a Husky 60-gallon compressor. We used to use a Husky 30-gallon. The only thing with the 30-gallon is that we had to take breaks. It works perfectly fine and everything. It's just you have to take breaks. But with the Husky, the 60-gallon, we don't take breaks and we just continue spraying. And also, guys, for this, you get your moisture filter. It gets all the water that gets trapped in there. So we use the 60-gallon Husky. It's pretty good. So that's what we use, guys. Right?
All right, so this next question, I really don't even know how you guys are going to answer it. I guess it depends on the vehicle, because you guys have a whole bunch of videos and they're asking how many bottles does it take, and you guys get a whole bunch of emails and comments and how many bottles does it take to do this and how many bottles does it take to do that, and how many bottles, or how does it work?
That one is a really hard question. Pretty much on the vehicle, how small or big it is. Like right now we're doing an H2. It's a Hummer. It's a pretty big vehicle. So on that one, we've already used about 3 gallons of Raptor. Each one comes with 4 bottles, which makes a gallon. And just on the plastic, we've already on the plastics on the whole Hummer, we've already used about a gallon. And for the paint that we already did right now is about another 3 gallons, so that makes 4 gallons. So it just pretty much depends on the vehicle size, guys. So yeah,
It's a hard question, guys.
it's a really hard question.
All right. So another question that get asked a lot is, how do you clean the gun?
Alright guys, well it's pretty easy. Let me give you an example. As soon as you guys are shooting the bottle, as soon as you're done with it, take off the bottle and then clean it. You guys don't want to like put a bottle and then shoot and then put another bottle and then shoot, because by the time you're done with your vehicle, you just ruined your gun. So the right way is, as soon as you're done shooting the Raptor, take off the bottle, clean it, put another bottle, shoot, clean it, put another bottle, etc., etc. So this gun you don't need a fancy gun, guys. This is just a normal Raptor gun, and it's lasted us for months already by doing the right way. So let me show you how to clean it outside. So let's go. Alright guys, so we use a lot of paint thinner. So this is a bucket of paint thinner. Over there we have the one that we just clean it, the gun with. We have that can, so we don't have to like make a mess in the yard, and it's bad for the environment. So the way to clean it, guys, you just grab the paint thinner like this. You grab an empty bottle of Raptor. You pour some in there. Put your down. And then you just stick it in there and just shoot. And you just shoot there, you shoot it so the gun will clean. And as soon as you're done, take off the bottle, clean whatever of paint thinner with like a dirty rag or something, and your gun is just clean. So always do that, guys, and your gun will always be clean and will last you for months. So that answers you guys' question.
All right, guys, and I think that the last question that we're gonna be answering is, what do you charge? You guys get this question in emails and text messages and phone calls, comments all over the place. How do you guys work that out? How do you charge, or what do you charge, or how does it work?
We just charge labor, guys. Always labor. That's pretty much it. Anything as in material, guys, you guys are buying that. We're not benefiting off of the money that you guys buy from material or anything like that. We just charge labor, guys. That's it. And
guys, for example, if you guys go to any paint body shops, regularly the paint costs like $100, but if you go buy from them, they'll charge you $150, and basically they make $50 profit from you. And guys, we don't do that here. We just charge for labor, and we don't get any money from the items.
We do not get any money from the items at all. And guys, again, you all our stuff, we get it from O'Reilly's, as in the Raptor, the Bondo, paper, tape, everything we get it from O'Reilly's. We have an account with them, and for us to help our customers out, we even let them use our account, which gets all the material for a cheaper and lower price, guys.
So what happened today? It's all right. What happened?
Okay, guys. So we're not gonna mention any names or the vehicle. We're just gentleman came in. He wanted us to Raptor his vehicle. We said yes, we can totally Raptor his vehicle. And guys, again, we only charge labor. So his vehicle had quite body work on it that it needed dents, rust, all that. So again, guys, labor. We charged him $800 for labor, and he agreed with it. So we gave him the material listing, and we told him if he wanted to come with us or if he just wanted to give us the money so we can go buy the stuff from O'Reilly's that we needed to do his vehicle. And he said that he wanted to come with us, so we brought him along. And basically, when we were already about to pay, he wanted us to pay for the material, which from the $800 that we were gonna charge for labor. And that's just no, guys. We're charging for labor, all the material, especially for that vehicle, costs about $400.
450.
Yeah.
So wait, so you guys charged him $800 in labor, and then when you guys went to O'Reilly's and you got all the stuff that you needed, you told him that that's all you needed, and he wanted you to pay the material from the $800.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. He got pretty upset. But guys, it's just labor. The rest material, we're just you guys are buying that. And again, we're letting you guys use the account so you can guys get it at a cheaper price.
All right,
You
guys.
get upset for that.
All right, guys. So that's gonna wrap it up for the little question and answer session right here. Hey, thank you all for taking the time. I know that you guys just had a full day of work, and that H2 is coming out great, but I think that you guys had to answer these questions for these people. So thank you so much.
Of course, guys. We're happy to answer all your questions, and yeah.
Yeah, and guys, if you guys have any more questions, email us down below or call us, and we'll give you the best prices and give you a quote.
And guys, we just got it on Facebook, guys. So if you any of you are on Facebook, we're gonna leave a link down below in the description. Go ahead and give it a follow, okay, right? So guys, thank you again for all the support, and like and subscribe, guys.
Like and subscribe, guys.